Hello guys, welcome back to Warren's Model Aircraft. This is update 3, I think, because the last one I did wasn't an update, it was just what was in my goodie box really. Here we have the Submarine Spitfire Mark X2. As you can see, it's been pre-shaded and it's come out quite well. I've even pre-shaded the rivets, as you can see on there, and I'll show you where I've done the filling. You can't even see it, to be honest, it's gone. It's turned out really well, as you can see. Put the pre-shading where the gun turrets are, so it gives you like that, the dirt smoke effect from the grease and the oil off the guns there. Okay, so on the fins and the rudders, I'll show the underneath. There's underneath. See if I can get my camera up. There you go. That's the underneath. It's all pre-shaded there. Right, I'll zoom out and I'll show you where I've done the filling. As you can remember, there was a massive gap there to there. It was there to there, and as you can see, it's completely gone. There was also a couple of little gaps along there. As you can see, they've gone as well. There was one on the back there. As you can see, that's gone as well. There was a little one here, but as you can see, that's gone as well, and same on the other side, that's gone. Where that joins there, that weren't too bad, but as you can see, there's nothing there. Yeah, all done. Yeah, so that is all ready now for me to mask up. I'm going to use the paint masks. There's a slight variation in the pattern of the camouflage, but I'll get around that because I've got some paint masks, but I can't get the ones for the particular model that I need. And the sides of the fuselage and the undercarriage, not the undercarriage, the tail tips, the camouflage the same. There's just a slight variation on the right hand side wing, but all I do is I just get my scalpel blade and I can just cut the pattern slightly what it is on the mask, and I should be okay. Right, I've done all the wheels and things, they're all done. The landing gear's all done. It's all weathered, it's all painted, weathered and everything. So as soon as this bad boy's all painted, I can just glue them on and it'll be done. Right then, I'll zoom out there. Turn this round. Right then boys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next update. Thanks very much boys, catch you later.